Alright guys, welcome back. First night ride with the Skidoo Expedition. My daughter and I are going to blaze a trail that way. We have about a mile of our little goat path till we get to the ITS trail. We have about, 14 inches of snow. It's up to my knees basically. Let's get after it. First ride with the expedition at night. Alright guys, that's the first night ride. Just a phenomenal sled. What do you think, Rye? On your end, comfy? Felt safe back there? We got like 14 to 16 inches. I mean, this thing just went, didn't bog down. This snow we have, I mean, didn't even know I was breaking trail through some of that. The only thing I noticed in deep powder is these headlights would completely cover up with snow, almost to the point where I could barely see through them. But, I mean, overall, it went really well. What, Ray?
How's the snow on this side?
It just happens. It just sprays up. All right, folks, we're going to wrap it up there. That was just a quick one. Really liking this machine so far. As soon as we get some stable temps, I'll get it out ice fishing, but we just haven't had them. You know, we haven't had a lot of sub-freezing nights, so the forecast looks pretty good. We have some rain coming, I think Thursday, so that's less than ideal, but you know, I'll get this out on some lakes as soon as I can. But we're gonna wrap it up there, folks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you guys on the next one.